The iPhone 17 Pro Max is here, and Apple just raised the bar again. Let's dive into what makes this phone one of the most powerful devices you can buy right now. First up, the design. Apple kept that sleek titanium frame from last year, but it's even lighter and stronger. The bezels are almost invisible, giving you that edge-to-edge 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with 120Hz ProMotion. Colors just pop, and outdoor brightness is insane, perfect for gaming, streaming, or just scrolling. Now, performance. Under the hood is the brand new A19 Pro chip built on 2nm tech. Translation: this thing is blazing fast, more efficient, and perfect for AI-driven features. Whether you're editing 4K videos, running console-level games, or multitasking, the iPhone 17 Pro Max doesn't even flinch. Cameras? Apple upgraded the 48-megapixel main sensor with a larger aperture for even better low-light shots. The new 6x telephoto zoom is now exclusive to the Pro Max, and portraits look sharper and more natural thanks to Apple's on-device AI enhancements. Video lovers get 8K recording with insane stabilization. Yes, vloggers, this one's for you. Battery life has also improved, easily a day and a half with heavy use. Plus, the new MagSafe 2.0 charging is faster and more secure. And of course, iOS 19 brings deeper AI integration, customizable lock screens, and smarter Siri. So, should you upgrade? If you're on anything older than an iPhone 15, the 17 Pro Max is a massive leap. It's Apple's most advanced iPhone ever, premium build, killer performance, and cameras that can rival Pro gear. That's the iPhone 17 Pro Max in a nutshell, the ultimate iPhone for 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.